everyone, it's me Jessie here with my mom, and today we're going to show you how to create a dog that smiles and is happy when you tell him nice things but cries when you tell him mean things.
Let's do it. To build this robot, we are going to use a machine learning model.
What's machine learning?
Okay, so think of it as a robot that you trained to sort messages into two buckets.
Yes.
A good bucket and a bad bucket.
Okay.
And in this case, you give the robot lots and lots of examples of different messages.
Okay.
And you tell the robot which of these messages are good,
And which are bad?
which are bad. Yes, exactly. Right? And next time when you give the robot a new message, it knows which bucket to put that in. It knows that, hey, this message should most likely go into the good bucket or should most likely go into a bad bucket.
Okay.
You get that?
Yep.
To build this project, we're going to go to a special website called Machine Learning for Kids.
Why not regular Scratch?
Why not regular Scratch? Just good questions. That is because we need to use a special extension here called Toxicity. This is a pre-trained model to recognize good and bad words.
Okay.
And do you know what pre-trained model is?
But so basically it knows which bucket to put in.
Exactly.
Put the word in.
Yeah, it knows which bucket to put the word in. Is it a toxic message, meaning a mean message, or a good message?
Okay.
Right? So we'll use that concept to build this cute.
Doggy.
Yes. Let's start with removing our cat.
Scratch cat.
Yes. And let's add a backdrop.
Let's just pick the regular blue sky.
Yeah.
Let's put the happy dog and the sad dog.
Okay. So let's draw it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
This little cute puppy by using AI, and then we added a happy face and a sad face to it, but you can also just upload an image or just draw it yourself without using AI. How we usually start with the one green flag clicked.
Yes. Let's start with the happy face.
Yeah, so switch costume to happy. We named the happy costume happy.
Yep. And forever loop.
Yep, forever.
Okay. Forever loop. Okay, so here we need to first put that text box, right, where you give messages or commands to your doggy, right?
Yeah.
So to do that, where do we go? Sensing.
Sensing, and you ask something and wait. And you can make it blank.
Blank.
Yep.
Okay. So now we are going to get to the fun part. That is, we're going to use this toxicity extension to check if the message that the person just entered
Is a bad message or a good message?
Yeah. So to do that, we're going to start with a control message. Okay.
Okay.
If message is mean,
Then you say something bad. Else, just say something like thank you.
Yeah.
Or something happy.
yeah. Okay. So I'm going to use this. If the message is toxic meaning
Bad language.
bad language, right? So if the probability that the message is toxic, that is the message just sounds toxic,
Is less than 70?
70 means it's has relatively high probability that it's a toxic or a mean message.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's bad, we can have him have a bad reaction.
Yeah.
So we can switch the costume to sad, and also you can make him say something like, "Don't say that, I'm sad now."
Yeah, let's do that. Right. So switch costume to sad costume and say something like, "Don't say that.
I'm sad now.
I'm sad now." Right. And if the message was not toxic, which is not mean, maybe you put the happy face back.
Yeah.
Right.
And he can say, "Yay!"
Yeah. Say, hey. Okay. I just noticed that we missed something.
The probability that text is toxic.
Yeah. We should be putting the
Answer.
answer, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, makes sense, right? Okay, so now let's test it out. Right? So let's say
You
you are the
Best.
Best. Yay! How about something mean?
You are lazy.
Lazy. Oh, it's a bad thing to say. Oh. How about something else?
You
Are
cute.
cute. Yes. Yay!
But I think we should add like a sound effect. Like if we said something happy, it could give us a happy bark and a happy message. But if we say something bad, it could say it could have like a growl or a sad bark.
Yeah.
But best.
Yep.
Yay! So there you go, friends. You created your own puppy which can classify good words and bad words using machine learning and Scratch. If you learned something today, please like and subscribe. Goodbye!